Hello everyone. This video is in continuation to our videos on genetics for ICSE grade 10 2021-22. In our last video, I gave you all the important terms, Mendel's work, why he selected pea plant and all. In this video, we will be talking about what is sex determination and what is the cross of sex determination and what are the questions which are asked. Like for example, there is a very common question that do you feel that females are responsible for the sex of the child? Justify. So this is a very important question which will be answered here. So watch the video till the end. Sex determination, first of all, what is it? Hota kya hai? What is sex determination? Sex determination is wherein we talk about the two sex which are generally present in humans, that is males and females. Now how do we identify that they are males or females? Males are expressed by X and Y chromosome, whereas females are expressed by X and X chromosomes. This was also told in the previous video that these type of chromosomes, the last pair of chromosome or the sex chromosome is the last pair of chromosome which is heterozygous, not similar in shape, size and structure, is XX in case of males, in females, and XY in case of males. Now, how do we determine that the sex of the child is the responsibility of the males? पहले तो X and Y and X and X are present in males and females. This Y chromosome is solely responsible for the maleness or the male traits in the child. Fine. So I'll start with the question and simultaneously I'll explain. What is the question? Question says that justify that sex of child depends on fathers. या फिर it can be asked multiple ways. या फिर do you think that mothers are responsible for the sex of the child or whatsoever? So the answer here is no. First of all, sorry, the answer here would be we have to justify. So we will say yes, fathers are responsible for the sex of the child, or listen very carefully, or it is just a matter of chance that child will be a male or female. We will discuss both the scenarios. हम दोनों चीज की बात करेंगे. That fathers are responsible for the sex of the child, mainly the maleness or the male child responsible for the birth of male child. Plus we will also discuss that it's just a matter of chance. No one is, basically no one can is solely responsible for the appearance. Fine. So we will start with a cross. Now we all know XX is the female trait and XY is the male trait. So this is the father and the mother. When the fusion of these chromosomes take place, the females, they have the egg, and the males, they produce the sperms. Fine, many sperms. So what is going to happen when the fusion takes place? The mixing is going to take place, or mixing will happen. When the mixing takes place, how do we write? We are making a cross, we are crossing the chromosomes. When we cross the chromosomes, what is the result we get? This X crosses with the X's to form, this Y will cross with them to form X and Y. What do we get? There are 50-50 chances of the children to be 50% females and 50% males. But you can clearly see that this Y chromosome, wherever this Y chromosome is present, that is a male child. So the females, they do not have a Y chromosome, so they cannot give rise to, or they cannot give the character of maleness. That male character only comes from the Y chromosome, which is only present in the males. So females are not at all responsible for determining whether the child born is a boy or a girl. It depends on the father, because जो boy वाला trait है, that comes from the Y chromosome, which is only present in the father. जो mother में है ही नहीं, तो she is not at all responsible. Now we come to, this is the first thing. We have answered the first thing. Now the second thing is that it's just a matter of chance. How? It's just a matter of chance that the sperm which was carrying Y chromosome has fused with the XX wala chromosome. This is a matter of chance that which sperm carrying which chromosome is going to fuse with the egg. So it's just a chance. 50-50 chances हैं. It can be a male, it can be a female, but again it's a matter of chance. आप ऐसा तो नहीं बोल सकते ना that a couple maybe has 4 children, so 2 will be boys and 2 will be girls. No, it can be 1 girl and 3 boys, or maybe all girls, or maybe all boys. So it's just a matter of chance, because this fusion which is going to take place, it's just a matter of chance. Now what you need to know here, if the question comes, this question comes, so what are you going to do? You will make this cross and then you will explain your answer, that because of this scenario, as you can clearly see that the Y chromosome from the male side give rise to the boys of the cross, which suggests that the males are responsible for the appearance of a boy child, whereas the females are not at all, because the Y chromosome which is coming from the males only is determining factor. Otherwise the X chromosome which is coming from the male, this X chromosome is coming from the male, so that is going to give rise to a female, but the Y chromosome only is going to give rise to a male. So this is sex determination, and sex determination cross, a very important 2-marker question. Write it the way I have told you, no one will deduct your marks. So we'll be doing the next video in which we will be talking about sex inheritance diseases. What are sex linked, what do you mean by sex linked inheritance? What are those diseases and what are the crosses? How do you make them? So keep watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.